Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the best free AI video generator. I'm talking about Haiper.ai. It's a completely free and accessible to all tool that will allow you to create realistic videos from text prompts. And essentially, I'm going to be breaking down Haiper.ai's stunning videos creations, how you can use this tool to create your own videos, and more. So without much further ado, let's get right into the video. So kicking things off, let's take a look at some of these sample videos. We're talking some very high quality renderings of everything from splashing waterfalls to serene nature scenes. The physics, reflections, and details are just amazing. But Haiper does not just nail the natural world, it can also create photorealistic portraits and scenes with human subjects that would definitely pass the test when it comes to accuracy. What really sets Haiper's output apart though is the artistic flair and intentional aesthetics. Each video has this incredibly engaging visual style with masterful use of color, composition, and creative direction. You would never believe that this level of detail came from an AI if you did not already have the pre-knowledge while watching these. Alright, so enough looking at samples, let's dive into actually using this model. And the best part is, Haiper makes it stupid simple to generate your own AI videos. All you have to do is head over to their website and then click try for free, and then you're immediately dropped into their creation platform. From there, just type a basic text description into the prompt box of what you would like to see. I recommend including details like the main subject, the type of movement or animation, and the overall style or scene that you want. So for example, I'm just going to enter this basic prompt and see what kind of result it would yield. And that's really all that it takes. You just enter a simple prompt like that, hit create, and within seconds, Haiper will take out a crazy realistic AI rendered video matching your description. And this is the result of the prompt that we just entered. Just take a look at how lifelike the subject appears. Of course, it's not going to be perfect, especially by how simple my prompt was. Imagine if I actually took more time engineering this prompt and making it as detailed as possible. However, I'm still satisfied with the result that I got on my first try. So once you've created a video that you love, it's easy to download it right from Haiper's interface. You can export the videos at the vertical cell phone resolution, but you still have the option to download videos that come out at 2080x720p, both high definition. And from there, you can take your video file and even upscale the resolution further using something like a video AI if you want to amp up the quality even more. I would recommend Topaz tool. It's not a free tool, however, I would recommend using it if you are serious about your AI video creations. Going back to Haiper.ai, one of the really cool features inside of this platform is their library of preset styles that you can apply to your creation. I'm talking things like old film, watercolor, cyberpunk, arcane, Lego, and more. These stylistic filters are a fun way to experiment and automatically apply different aesthetic vibes and visual effects to your video with just one click. Haiper also provides optional privacy controls if you want to keep your video creations private rather than public. And they have advanced parameters like seed values that let you more precisely control the generative starting point if you want consistency between renders of the same prompt. And if text to video creations are not enough for you, then Haiper offers additional tools to breathe live and animation into your existing images and videos as well. You can upload a 2D image into their platform and then have Haiper automatically animate it for you with simulated 3D camera movements based on your own prompt descriptions. And this could allow you to take AI artwork from tools like Midjourney or Stable Diffusion and then animate them in wild ways. And perhaps even more exciting is Haiper's forthcoming ability to manipulate and alter specific elements within existing video footage. If you need to change the color of an object in your video, swap out backgrounds, or add entirely new visual elements into a scene, then Haiper's video editing AI looks to make feats like that possible very soon. Of course, no new AI video tool can escape comparisons to the revolutionary work done by Stable Diffusion, Imagen, and other heavyweights in this space. So how does Haiper's output actually stack up compared to the competition? While these examples show Haiper holding its own in terms of quality, it may lack in being the absolute best. But in my opinion, it makes up for it in being freely accessible to everyone right now. And when you consider how insanely great these results already are for a brand new startup, the potential for where Haiper could go from here is absolutely mind-blowing. And that will be all on today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know in the comment section down below what your thoughts are and whether you have any other questions. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.